Yo, 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 good morning. Happy Sunday. It's that guy from Michigan. Back to you again. Listen, family and friends, like, share, comment, subscribe. I can't do it without you. Like, share, comment, subscribe. This is going to be a very quick video. I'm going to do as quick as I can. This is a daily chart that we're looking at. We're looking at the Russell. What I want you guys to do is take a fib, draw your fib from 237.79, which is last week's low, to last week's high, which was roughly 252.74. Okay. Now, that is our trading range for this upcoming week, okay? So keep that in mind. Always keep that in mind. What I'm looking at right here is this doji. This is very important. I'm looking at a daily doji right here. So I usually look at a doji for a reversal zone. If we're going down this way, I expect the doji to tell me that they're going to try to get back up here, so on and so forth, right? So what I'm going to do around this doji is make a box. Take this box here, put it there. And then I'm going to close in 50% of my box with a marker. And this right here is going to tell me everything I need to know about how I want to proceed going forward through the week and how we start off tomorrow. I'm going to pay attention to my fibs. Always pay attention to your fibs. Your 50% of your fib is 245.50 roughly, right? So that green line right here. So expect them to always try to get back to the 50. If you see a burst up this way, expect them to drive price back down to 50 and vice versa. You see price come down this way, expect them to drive it back up, at least trying to get back to the golden zone, the 50, or the 618, 786, vice versa. So what is the game plan for tomorrow's opening? I'm watching how we open tomorrow. If we open above this line here, this line is 243.40-ish. If we open above this area here, I know they're shooting for the top of this box. Top of this box is going to be 245.18. So what's the thought process? What is Corey doing? Corey is placing a call as long as we're holding candles above 243.41. If we're holding closing candles on a 5-minute, 10-minute basis above that level, I'm putting in a call. I'm buying at that point. And on the other hand, if we are closing candles beneath this 243.41 zone on a 5-minute, 15-minute basis, I am putting in a put. I'm going to write my put down to 241.49. So do what I did. Draw a box around this area. It's going to be a very important area for us that we trade beginning tomorrow. And if you go down to like a 2-hour time frame or even a 30-minute time frame, you'll see they're trading within the box. Look at, here's the box we drew. This is where they're at. So as long as they're holding this line, I'm going to expect them to get back here. Pay attention to this also. If they get in this area, they start buying at above 245.30 and they're closing candles, what do you have to look forward to? I want to point this out. They're going to try to get to this point here. What is that? Back to the where they did all that work from last week, 252 area, okay? So pay attention to that. So first things first. First mission, get out of this box. Close candles inside this box. Start making progress to the upside, okay? Listen, that's the game plan, man. Let's check in the morning. Let's see where we're at in the morning. Draw this box. Know what you're trading, and let's move from there. Pay attention to your 50 though. Look at this 50. This 50-day moving average closing into the 200. So if price starts to get back into this, man, they can really accelerate to the upside. So trust me, watch out for this area here too. So let's just see how we start opening. Oh, before I forget, I want to point one other thing out because I think it's very important that we pay attention to. Listen, this area here, that 240.81 area is very important for them to hold. If you lose 240.81 this week, anytime this week, look at these candles. Look how well they try to defend it. Bounce, 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 right? If they lose this 240.81, we are going to accelerate down to this candle here, 236.80-ish. Pay close attention. I'm sorry, 237.78. So just know, if we lose 240.81, we are going to this 237.86. Pay attention. Let's see how we open. Look, we'll move forward in the morning, you guys. If you have questions, hit me. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you're thinking, okay? If there's any other tickers you guys want to look at, let me know as well. Other than that, happy trading.